Let's make foul Medammas. My mom used to make this for us all the time when we were in the mountains. It's so good. Grab a skillet or a pot. We're gonna use canned foul, Tazah Foul. They're Fava beans. It says foul Medammas. You wanna drain some of the liquid, but not all of it. Into the skillet. Let's do one more. A garlic press, couple cloves. Let's do one more. Hit it with a cumin. Cumin, that's the key. Tazah olive oil, salt, and a squeeze of lemon. Now take a big fork or a masher and mash it up a little bit. But I don't like it too mashed. It's just the way we did it. Just like that. There's still some whole beans. Now we gotta heat it up. And once it's simmered for a bit, it's done. It's that easy. Spoon it into a bowl. Now this is the fun part. The toppings. You can do it however you want, but I like some tomatoes, a little parsley, some mint, some jalapeno for spice. And then we do a hard-boiled egg, but I like it a little runny. Can't forget the green onions. Drizzle the top with some olive oil and some fresh black pepper. Oh, it looks so good. You gotta crush up that egg. Abowww! Yeah! Oh man, that's delicious. Tastes like my childhood. I love foul. Don't forget to follow for more. Want some?